Okay, it is maintenance slash mod day for the Audi. Ed got some KYB OEM spec struts and shocks and some Eibach lowering springs. So we're gonna take out these blown out garbage.
Heads up.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, she was on there pretty good.
Wish I would have got that on tape. He just had a Spartan kick the wheel off the car. Gotta love Euro lug studs. Just like weld itself to the hub. Okay, so springs are over here. He's got new window regulators. We're gonna put those in as well. And we also have some carbon fiber bits in there for the side view mirrors. And I think that's it. There's the KYBs right there. What else are we doing to the car today? That's it, right? Just suspension.
Yeah. Oh, I fixed the exhaust. It was just coming off the hanger.
Oh.
The bracket, yeah, the rubber was slid over.
Okay. Very nice.
Other than that, she good now.
Cool.
See?
Sounds good.
Another 18-inch fucking regular wrench?
18 inch?
Or 18 inch, yeah. 18 inches, you got another 18 inches?
That's really big.
Yeah. Huh. Audi dog, they built shit to last, except for their struts.
18, 17,
Nope.
16. Survey says no.
Well, I should be able to get a
I don't think we got it.
price grip or something like that on the
I won't do that.
Or, you know, like fucking...
16. What's the equivalent in standard?
I don't know. I don't know an American. You do.
Try that.
It's bigger than 19.
Okay, don't try that. Why is math hard? Try that. That's probably not going to work, but whatever. Try it out.
Okay.
So Audi, super over-engineered.
I mean, I'm
This
stoked.
lower control arm. I can't see my GoPro, so I can't see what I'm looking at. All right. So there's a bolt there, a bolt over there. Then you have your bolt for the rear shock. There's a height sensor. There's a sway bar mount, end link, and all this filthiness in here. And then there's like an air pump for the evap system. It looks like it's interesting. So we're gonna get there and then pressure wash all this before we put all the new stuff in. But talk about a lot of removal hardware just for some springs. Okay, so both sides are basically done.
Okay. Like every other video, it's after the
Yeah, well, I mean, I can't record and do all the work, so.
Alright, so we're buttoning this up.
Did you tighten the 10mm for the height sensor too?
Yeah, I did.
All right, cool. So there's the height sensor here. You got to be careful with that. This little blue guy right there. Everything's been cleaned. Clean the fender liners because those are filthy. Lots of Torx that hold those guys in on here. But springs in. Spring isn't really seated as best as it could be. I don't know what the hell happened there, but hopefully that just pops into place and not doesn't pop out. What you doing over there?
Oh, you know, just feeling around. Yep, it's on there.
Yeah, that's an exhaust.
There's the engine. And the other side also done. Just got to do the fronts now. Got to put the fender liner back in. Someone killing a dog over there? What the fuck? Yeah, the spring sits kind of funny. It's like crooked. It's
No, it's
weird to me. But looks good. Pretty simple. Lots of hardware going on here. Once you figure out how to get the spring out, then it makes it easier. The other side took a lot longer. But everything looks okay. I had to notch that because there's this stupid bolt right here that, you know, they put in before they put the heat shield and the brakes on. So in order to get that out, you have to notch this. So we clean that up a little bit. This side looks much better. The other side looks like shit. But it is what it is. Possibly.
Maybe.
All right, so rear's done.
Oh, do you want me to wait? Sorry.
No, you're good. Go ahead. So we're disconnecting the lower front strut mount, and then the upper bolt is up here, that little guy. So we're gonna pull this guy out, and hopefully the suspension will just come out, and we don't have to take off all this because this is insane. The steering rack is like behind the motor in the cowl. It's up here instead of down below like a typical car. The knuckle is insane. And then the upper control arm's two different pieces, but it's also part of the top hat. I've never seen, this is an engineering marvel, but also a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
So good job, Audi.
Thanks for nothing, Audi.
Bubble bins? Clean my trash cans, guys.
No. We paid for it.
Sponsored by Bubble Bins. Just kidding, but sponsor me. Clean my trash cans. They smell like shit.
Fucking amazing.
I know.
They came yesterday.
I did every day. I do
Dirty. We need to clean this too.
every Monday.
All right, so we're on the passenger side.
Shit, where'd that 16 go?
Kind of a pain in the ass. Again, another over-engineered piece. You have to drop 3 different ball joints, and that's okay. You have to drop the tie rod, those 2, all that shit's got to come out. You have to transfer the lower perch from the
half-inch drive.
drop the lower perch from the OEM setup to the new one, and then new spring. But we're getting there. This side should go a little faster now that we know how to do it, and we're not gonna destroy the upper hat hardware because there's 3 bolts have to come out, 1, 2, and then 3 down there. You have to drop the whole hat because the upper nut is actually hidden underneath this little bump right here in the fender. So, fun stuff. So we're trying to figure out where the jack point is for the front because somehow we got the car up in the air, but now we can't get it down.
I don't want to make the same mistake, man.
Because Ed said that the subframe was like moving, which means he's not on the subframe.
Look, there's a lot of plastic down here.
There's a lot of plastic shielding, and things are bowing and moving, so we probably jacked it up by the oil pan.
No.
The manual is fucking useless. But springs are in. See them? Eibach.
Yeah, it pretty much says you
Shock springs. This bushing's blown out. It's rubbing right there.
Just be careful.
Everything is
It specifically says the vehicle
good.
should never be lifted or jacked up from underneath the engine oil pan, the transmission housing,
Sick.
the front or rear axle, or the body side members.
So basically, never jack the car up. Cool.
Well, I mean, technically, that was none of where I jacked the car from before.
So it says that the front lifting point is behind the forward wheel well, which would be where the jack is.
Want me to bring it to you?
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
Shots?
Patron or like regular tequila?
We want shots.
What kind of shots?
Yeah, we got
The Herradura.
found it.
Raspados.
They couldn't put it all in one section.
No, of course.
That's some whack ass shit.
Yeah. Is that your? Is this your debut?
It's my debut.
It's your debut. Nothing. No dice. Cool. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up. This is like some weird jack. That's weird.
Everything gets jacked up from the side.
Yeah.
Basically.
Cool. So just put a piece of wood underneath the oil pan and send it.
It's not the oil pan. It's just really thin fucking metal, apparently.
It wants you to jack it up from the side.
I'm not jacking up.
We need to move on to the window regulators. Hurry up.
I'm leaving soon.
Well, the suspension's done, and we went to go do the window regulator, and Ed's mad.
I broke the fucking window.
He broke the glass. It happens, you know. One of those things. There's so much difference. Yeah,
That looks really good. That carbon.
That carbon looks nice. We gotta do the other side, and we'll do it tomorrow. But just leave it hanging on the inside. Yeah, just leave it hanging on the inside.
No, I
Just
mean, I
pick it
can't
up when you
I
close the
can't
door.
not hang it.
I know there's nowhere to put it. So, but yeah, so that sucks. So the glass is broken. We're gonna go to pick apart tomorrow and pick up the glass because he got the window regulators off another A4. So we'll grab the glass off that car to replace. And
grab all the glass just in case.
I mean, maybe. But that sucked. But it is what it is. It happens. We cleaned up the glass. The glass already is in the trash can over there. And we'll go to pick apart tomorrow. So get some action, pick apart, see if there's anything else cool there. Maybe we'll pull some parts off some other shit.
There is. There's a Lexus with a 2J. The
2J?
E-Class. Have the 2J in it, right?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know
shit about
But
Lexus.
also, there is a G20 there.
Okay, well, maybe we'll see some cool shit. Maybe we'll, maybe we won't, whatever.
And no one's
But
touched the SR.
we'll look
what
around.
I'm
We'll
saying.
take a peek. Maybe there'll be something cool.
Might buy a
But
motor
gotta finish this tomorrow. Gotta do the other mirror on that side. Maybe we'll do the rears if we have time tomorrow. But the suspension came out good. Car's sitting nice. The rear is super low. Needs an alignment for sure. The front hasn't settled all the way yet. I feel like the front's gonna go lower.
Give it a couple more wiggles, the front will settle.
Yeah, it's gotta settle, but
Just enough.
needs to be detailed. The car's filthy. Yeah. But right now we got this nice frameless door, you know, nice, good for the summer, air ventilation into the car.
Yeah. I mean, the AC works better than I thought it was.
But we're gonna clean up and then we'll resume this tomorrow.